Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a pending payment on the Capitec app. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure you have the latest version of the Capitec mobile banking app installed on your phone. You can check this by going to the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iPhone, searching for the Capitec Bank app, and ensuring there are no pending updates available. Having the latest version is crucial for all features to work correctly. Now, open the Capitec app and log into your account securely using your remote PIN or biometrics like your fingerprint. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom menu. You need to tap on the Transact tab. On the Transact screen, scroll down through the list of services, look for the section or option labeled Debit Orders, and tap on it. This will open a menu showing all your active and pending debit orders. Inside the Debit Orders menu, you will see a list of all scheduled and recent debit order transactions. You need to find and select the specific pending payment that you wish to cancel. Tap on it to open the details for that specific debit order. On the details screen, you will see information about the payment, such as the company name, the amount, and the frequency. To cancel it, look for the action buttons. You will typically see two options, Dispute and Stop. To cancel a pending payment, you must tap the Stop button. The app will then show you a warning message. It's important to read this carefully, as stopping a legitimate debit order could affect the service it's for. If you are sure you want to proceed, tap Next. You will then be asked to select a reason for stopping the debit order from a provided list. Choose the most appropriate reason. After selecting a reason and confirming, the app will process your request. If successful, you will receive a confirmation that the debit order has been stopped. This will prevent the pending payment from being processed on its next due date. It's important to note that this process stops future deductions. If a payment has already been processed and is no longer pending, you would need to contact the service provider directly to discuss a refund, or you could use the Dispute function if the charge was unauthorized. And that's how you cancel a pending payment directly within the Capitec banking app.